What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to this new video on Mask, the Mask network, the Mask token. Very bullish over the last 24 hours. You can see that we rallied quite a bit, started yesterday afternoon, but we really got our biggest breakouts during the night in the last, 8 hours. So I wanted to go over it. I wanted to tell you what's going on, wanted to give you my opinion on that. I know that a lot of you are interested in Mask. And I am as well, so I just wanted to take a look at it. First, if we take a very quick look at the technicals, you can see that we hit a major resistance around 4.25. That's been our resistance for quite a while. We haven't been able to get above that since the 9th of February, so for almost a month. So yeah, pretty bullish. Got some bullish breakouts. First of all, broke above this very minor, but I feel like I have to tell you, a very minor key level right here. Also houses EMAs around 3.75. But apart from that, also broke above these trend lines, which, I mean, it depends on how you draw it, but both of them are valid, both of them are reliable. Broke above both of them. All right, so that's, we got a lot of bullish breakouts. So then the big question is can we even rally higher than this? And we'll talk about that in this video. Before we start though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the link down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. So now let's talk about Mask. The first thing we have to talk about is the fundamentals, because Mask is an amazing project, all right? Has a lot of potential. However, you can probably already see it right now. If you see price movement like this, it's probably manipulated. In the matter of 5 minutes, $40 million in volume was added to Mask. You can also see that the volume right now is amazing compared to the market cap, and because after that it significantly grew as well, but it's probably manipulated. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, I'd say at least like 20%, 25% is coming from volume sources, which I would see as unreliable. All right, so that's unfortunate, but that's something we have to know when analyzing Mask, because right now, if it was actually supported by something, I would probably say that it's more likely that after all of these bullish breakouts that we would also break above 4.25 and get up to that next price target around 4.7, 4.6. But now I actually do think that you can also see right here, I said 4.25, but around 4.15, there's also quite a strong resistance level. So altogether, and we did not break above that. So we found some strong resistance as well. And that combination leads me to believe that we will drop down. That sure, we will find support at this level between $4 and 3.9, and there's also still a chance that we could get up to 4.5 and 4.6, but then we would need to hold that level for at least like 2 days. If we can do that, all right, then for some reason we're still manipulated and we can go up even higher. But I think it's way more likely that we'll drop down to that level, that we'll initially hold it, but then after a while that we would drop down to 3.75 and eventually continue our whole downwards movement down to 3.4, 3.5. That's what I think the most likely scenario is. And even if that happens, Mask is still pretty stable and pretty bullish even compared to other cryptos. All right, so it's definitely not the end of the world, but right now, taking a look at the technicals, while also knowing what the fundamentals are, it looks like the most likely scenario. But that's my take on Mask. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.